I'm going to show you how you can easily add cash to your Chime account. First, launch the Chime app on your phone to find the closest participating retail store. Then, tap on the Move Money tab. Now choose the Deposit Cash option to find nearby locations. Once in this section, you will see a barcode on your screen. This barcode is used to deposit cash at a retail location. After that, go to a participating retail location such as Walgreens, Walmart, or 7-Eleven. Here, show the barcode to the cashier and ask them to scan it. In the next step, provide the amount of cash you want to deposit. The cashier will process the deposit, and you will receive a notification on your phone once the funds are added to your Chime account. It may take up to 2 hours for some retailers. Chime allows you to deposit up to $1,000 per day and $10,000 per month in cash. The fee for depositing cash varies by retailer, but Walgreens does not charge a fee for cash deposits made with Chime.